Alright guys, how you doing today? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to give you guys a stock that I've been keeping my eye on, that I recently bought 600 shares on so I can hold long term. I think it would be a good play. Nothing too fancy, pretty much very simple. It's a low cost stock that I can make some good premiums off of for doing option trading and hold long term. Just to see how the company goes. I've been doing research on them. And it seems like things are gonna progressively get better for them as time go on. So I think it's a good investment. But like I said, I can make some very good premiums off this company. So I'm gonna share the stock with you guys today, so you can see where I'm coming from to get into today's video. Alrighty then. Welcome. It's your boy X here. This is my YouTube channel, so do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And most definitely like this video if you like what I'm talking about. So, for anybody who's new to the channel, I like to talk about personal finance, stocks, investing, the whole nine. And in today's video, I'm going to give you guys a stock that I've been looking at. The stock is a good stock. Why I think that? Because these guys are doing everything right. They're not extremely expensive. It's a stock that I feel like a lot of people can get on and have because it's it's less than $5. But the stock is pushing out some pretty decent premiums. Not even going to stump with you guys. Like I said, I recently bought about 600 shares of this company, and I plan on doing about 6 contracts on them per month to make some passive income. Why? Because I like passive income. I mean, don't you like money?
You naughty. You teasing me, you naughty.
I like money. I don't know about you. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. But it's a pretty solid company. I've been keeping my eye on them. And they recently just did something that really good. That I had 100 shares, but today I bought 500 more after I heard the news. And it just really, to me, it's sending them in the right direction. It's something that I'm actually willing to hold long term. Now, I'm not going to delay it any longer. the stock in which I'm talking about is ticker symbol TELL. It is a natural gas company. They're doing everything right now. Like I said, it's less than $5. I bought in around $3.75 if I'm not mistaken. It may be down a little bit from that, but the stock did have some decent debt prior to today, but today they made a move. Like I said, I held 100 shares prior to today, but today I bought an additional 500. I bought an additional 500 because today it came out that they paid $57 million towards their debt, which is phenomenal because they put them around 25 to 27 mil left in debt, and pretty much they can make up 17 million of that debt this year with just production. So now we're looking at what, about 8 mil left in debt, which is not that bad. It really isn't. So with them paying off this much debt at the beginning of this year, it's going to really set them up to make a very profitable year. I truly believe that, especially with everything going on with Biden. And like I said, the stock is really gearing up to make some moves. Like I said, I bought it around $3.75. I'm pretty sure it's probably a little lower than that. But the reason I did that is because I do options trading. I do covered calls. And if you don't know what a covered call is, that's when you pre-own shares of the company. In order to do one contract, you have to have 100 shares of said company, which is why I buy increments of 100, because I'm looking to do option calls, which will make me passive money. So it's sort of like dividend investing, except I can do it with pretty much any stock, even if they don't offer a dividend. So what I do is I purchase 100 shares, set my strike price, boom, make a premium. But like I said, since I have so much faith in this company, I think they can go long term. Like I said, I bought 600 shares, which I'm actually able to do 6 contracts, which I have done 6 contracts. And with those 6 contracts I have currently, I made about, I want to say $300 if I'm not mistaken. I made in premiums, which is not bad for, I think I used only everything about $2,000. So pretty good for me. That's a decent return. What I do, like I said, I'm just gonna put it on the screen for you guys. I'm gonna show you got the ticker symbol, strike price, and my premium that I received. Be right up in there right about now. So as you guys can see, like I said, I'm holding a decent amount of shares here. I plan on just keep recycling these shares with these option calls. I'm going to hold this long term. I'm not going to go too aggressive because I do want to keep the shares, but I am going to make some money off these shares. And pretty much that's it, guys. Like I said, I'm going to put up a couple articles in the description outside the ones that I showed you guys. Like I said, do your own due diligence. Always do your own due diligence. Like I said, I'm just a random fella on the interwebs. You do not listen to me. Take what I say with a grain of salt. Do your own due diligence. If it seems like a play for you, hey, look to see what tickles your fancy and see how much you can invest to it so you can move forward in life. But like I said, don't base all your decision off me. I'm nobody special. I'm no Graham Stephan. You hear me? But that's pretty much what I have to say about this stock here, guys. Like I said, give it a look at. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. This is gonna be my year, guys. I'm aiming for 6 figures. And I'm most definitely aiming to get monetized this year. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Most definitely like this video. And it's your boy Exia. And I'm out.